I am making this video not just for Muslims. I am making this video for my peoples because Allah Rabbul Izzat says on Quran Majid Surah Baqarah ayat number 21st يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. O people, worship your Lord who created you and those before you so that you may be pious. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says يا أيها الناس قولوا لا إله إلا الله تفلحون. O people, say there is no God but Allah. You will be successful in both worlds. So, this message, not just for Muslims, my message for all peoples who want to know about Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I am Qari Amin. I am a Quran teacher. I can teach you in phonic and phonemic style, inshallah, completely. You and your children can learn to me Quran Majid, Nurani Qaida, Iqra Qaida, Tajweedi courses, Masnoon praise, 6 kalmas, etc., and many things about Islam as you want to know. In many languages, Urdu, English, Pashto, Arabic, Bengali, and Punjabi also. So let me do something for me, obviously, and my brother and sisters and my peoples who want to know about Islam. Thank you. Shukriya. Jazakallahu khairan ahsan al jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.